Hello everyone! In this video, I will talk about an airdrop event that could be important. Let's get started right away. On the Eldarune Twitter page, there is mention of an event where we can earn airdrop rewards by holding NFTs. So, we will earn tokens by staking NFTs. This event started on May 1st and will continue until June 1st. The event also specifies how many tokens will be given. The number of Elda tokens you will earn depends on the NFT you choose. The details are written here. Here, there are NFTs in the common, uncommon, epic, rare, legendary, and ancient categories. What you need to do is select a category from these NFTs and purchase the specified amount as stated in the conditions. After purchasing the NFT, you need to go to DaiGuard to stake it. You can connect your wallet to switch to the BNB network. You will already be purchasing the NFTs on the BNB network. To stake, you need to use the NFT staking section within DaiGuard. These are the steps you need to take. Apart from these, if you want to win a unique NFT, you need to complete the tasks on Eldarunes Discord page. You can go to the Discord page by clicking on this link. After completing the specified tasks, if you are lucky, you can own a unique NFT. Eldarune has many opportunities. When you stake Elda tokens, you will be able to earn more rewards. Pay attention to the transactions you make. For the airdrop, perform your transactions not from your main wallet, but from your backup wallet. And remember that no project in crypto can guarantee you profits. You already know that I am not giving you investment advice. I hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.